taking your affiliate marketing to the next level. Are you feeling like you don't know enough about affiliate marketing? If you feel like you need to expand your knowledge on affiliate marketing, then you're already on the right track. The thing about affiliate marketing is that you always need to be on the lookout for new pieces of information, so take some time to read the tips in this video about affiliate marketing. You should build a dedicated web page for each product you are promoting through an affiliate marketing program. This page should give your visitors all the information you have available on the advertised product or service. While this need not be the sole reference you have to your affiliate, a dedicated page can tip the balance for visitors who are considering purchasing your affiliate's product. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to test products before you advertise them. If you are displeased with the product, it is likely that your customers or subscribers will be as well. Advertising an unsatisfactory product will decrease your credibility and trustworthiness, while advertising a quality product will do the opposite. Affiliate programs that offer front and back-end offers are worth a second look. Back-end offers can net you money for years to come depending on the life cycle of the product. Affiliates offering back-end money are harder to find, but they are worth the work. Receiving multiple commissions from one customer will keep the money flowing. Even though this is the internet, remember that the customer is always right. You do not want to lose customers because you are being too solid on your stance against someone you feel is incorrect. People talk, and that can result in a serious loss in profits for the business. You can help your local businesses advertise their goods by featuring them through affiliate marketing links on your website. This is a great way to build lasting business relationships that can help you make money, at the same time as keeping business local. Affiliate marketing links are a great way to make some extra cash. With the information that you've been given in this video, you should be feeling more confident about getting into affiliate marketing. Just remember to stay positive and remember that everyone who's gotten into affiliate marketing had to start somewhere. Anyone who has become successful has expanded their knowledge and then applied that knowledge to the best of their ability. If you try your best to do the same, you will see the results. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.